Hey, it's Sarah Miller here with you with 1075 Bolt FM. We're going to be doing our very first early bird draw for Cool to School. A $50 gift certificate will be going to the winner. And this time, all the names from our online entries, as well as all of our names from our call-ins, have been added to the wheel. So any duplicate names is because they have done both called in and entered online. So we're going to spin the wheel and see who our lucky winner is. Are we ready? Let's go. Congratulations, Ryan Washikowski. You are our winner for our $50 early bird draw. Congratulations. We'll be giving you a call to let you know you have won.